Reimagining Safety, a vision for transforming the public space and roadways at York University. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today. My name, Mohammed Fatayurji, and I'm thrilled today to be presenting a new idea I call Reimagining Safety for Transforming the Public Space and Roadways at York University. I'm 18 years of age with a dream of becoming a civil engineer and very passionate to build a world with newly designed areas that can be as efficient as possible. So today, you may ask, what is this presentation about? And I will be sharing with you a version of the reimagining the public space and roadways surrounding the Beregon building, which is particularly in the north side of the Williams Center, to better cater the needs of hard-working students in York University. Before diving into the project's details, let me provide some context. The area may seem acceptable at first glance, but I must emphasize that it harbors significant safety concerns for the student of York University. This stems from a design flaw that leads to rapid crowding, making it imperative for us to address these issues promptly, as us students should not be silenced to address such issues and instead bring them to light, because if one person suffers, we will be responsible for it. The primary issue causing congestion is the closure of the street's end and the proximity of multiple parking lots. The absence of designated crosswalks, coupled with various vehicle activities, adds to the chaos. The lack of stop signs, speed limits, and lane markings heightens the danger. The university is responsible for our well-being and must address the concerns logically by implementing immediate solutions like stop signs, speed limits, and clear lane markings to mitigate current risks. Imagine a person walking in the middle of the road near the Williams Mall building, vulnerable to the lack of sidewalk and safety measures. Without a stop sign or speed limits at the parking garage exit, the risk of accident is high. Now, picture getting a call about your child being hit by a car there. The emotional appeal underscores the urgency to address the safety issues before tragic incidents occur. Prioritizing the safety is not just a moral obligation, but a crucial for the university's reputation and duty to the community. Let's act now to prevent the regrettable incidents. The strategy we used for our solution is based on the fundamental of traffic engineering. This includes a wise plan to benefit both traffic and pedestrians. By indulging stop signs and speed limits, we are able to guarantee a complete up-to-code road. More road markings function as a visual representation that can reflect traffic and establish a benchmark for a more controlled management. Significance of pedestrian safety is essential to our final resolution, the installation of a traffic signal at a well-selected crossing. This strategy decreases the rate of collisions and injuries while at the same time preserving the protection of pedestrians. Following precise research, we were able to determine a way to reduce traffic by maximizing parking, and now we can afford a greater space for pedestrians by relocating the staff parking. At the same time, the large green area found next to the beregon building can be transformed into a cutting-edge visitor and student parking area. The regulation of both traffic lights and the addition of signs and the recently built parking lot can guarantee a more quick and secure flow for vehicles. This is a design that is able to get a higher reduction in traffic by rerouting pickup and drop-off locations away from heavily congested areas, which enhances the efficiency by controlling the smoothness and the speed of traffic. There's one thing we haven't mentioned yet, and it's the shuttle buses that use this road to fully optimize traffic in the area. The small green part in between the newly built parking lot and the beregon building, there will be a turnabout where buses will pick up and drop off pedestrians at a bus stop inside the loop, and will keep going to exit without mixing or stopping with traffic at any point. To conclude, emphasizes the vision of a safer and more organized York University, free from unnecessary risks. It highlights the ethical responsibility of the institution and prioritizing community safety as a moral obligation that upholds the university's reputation and fulfills its duty to the community. The call to action encourages a transformative journey together, building a legacy where safety and progress coexist harmoniously. The conclusion expresses gratitude and reinforces the commitment to create streets at York University that symbolizes unity, progress, and unwavering dedication to the well-being of all.